Hello. So it's super early and I just wanted to pop outside and show you what's going on in my garden right now. So let's go. And I haven't been covering my garden, you guys, and it got really cold again. So, oh my goodness. Oh, it's frozen. So what's crazy is my covering is just tearing. I don't know if I could show you, but I tried to put it on last night and it just started ripping. I think because it's frozen so many times and it's a few years old. So this is what my garden looks like, you guys. There is garlic over there, and I mean, nothing has died as far as my Brussels sprouts and my turnips and my collard greens. They're not dead. Wow. And they are, I mean, when the sun comes out, they're fine. So there is just water coming from all areas in this tree, and it's flowing right underneath through the little drainage hole here. But right now, you guys, they are covered in frost. And I want to show you my little garlics that are popping up. You can see, here's a little garlic. There's one there, there's one there. So that's good. Oh, and it's just beautiful this morning. And if you didn't see in the other video, we finally got this tree down, so I have a lot more light coming into the garden. And then we have this thing, which I cannot get rid of. It's holding up the rose bush, which is also crazy. So the lettuce of course, handles the frost very well. But it did get to like 26 last night, so. But all this lettuce is hanging in there. Isn't it so beautiful with the frost on the leaves? Oh, I did come in and just put some more leaves everywhere, just to kind of help blanket everything and keep those worms happy. But yeah, guys, it's too cold for this Hawaiian girl. It is so frosty this morning. So I'm going to share this with a little progression of how the garden's been growing. I mean, it's growing slowly and I don't know what's going to happen, but you know what? Gardening is an experiment, so yeah. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day and enjoy this winter, because here in Louisiana soon it will be very, very hot again. But not soon enough for me, because I'm telling you, I love to be warm. I would go surfing right now if there was an ocean. I don't care if it was this cold, I would be in there. So again, thanks for watching, you guys. Have a wonderful day.